So for making this DIY, all you need is just a pair of soft and fluffy socks, and then you are good to go. I got these socks for like 120 rupees, which is pretty amazing because the DIY turned out to be so cheap that I could make a single Among Us plushie under rupees 100, which is again pretty amazing for the price. So to start with, you just have to take one of these socks and turn it inside out and lay it flatly on the tabletop or whatever surface you are using so that the heel part is facing upwards. Once you lay it flatly on your working surface, then all you have to do is sketch out the body shape of the crewmate. Now crewmate has literally the most simplest body shape, I guess, and it is so easy to sketch it out. And then when you are pretty much satisfied with your drawing job, then you just have to take a needle and some thread and start stitching out along the margins using backstitch technique. Now backstitch technique proves out to be really sturdy when it comes to making plushies because it just holds everything in its place and there is no danger of your plushie opening up like a bag of candies, and I guess that is what you need, right? Now you have to cut along the margins, leaving some space in between so that you don't cut out the stitches, and then you are pretty much done with the body frame of the plushie. Now take your scissors and cut out a tiny hole on the face part of the crewmate. Now I really have to emphasize the word tiny here because you won't even expect how much bigger this hole will look when you stuff up this crewmate with some cotton. So you just have to take care about this part. Now use some synthetic cotton for stuffing your plushie and give it some nice shape so that it looks like an Among Us plushie and not like something else. Now you have to cut out an oval which is exactly 3 times the size of the opening from any soft white or pale blue fabric, and then you just have to sew along the edges using running stitches. Take some cotton and put it in the center of the oval and pull the thread so that it attains a nice and clean shape. Now you just have to adjust the cotton in between and close the opening of the oval with some rough stitches. Now sew the helmet to the crewmate using some leather stitches. Take the leftover part of the socks that we used earlier and cut out a rectangle to make the backpack of the crewmate. Now the thing you have to keep in mind is you don't have to cut a square shape of the backpack because when you sew along the edges, you will end up having a rectangular backpack which you don't need. This is the thing that I did wrong. So you have to cut a rectangular shape so that when you sew along the edges, you have a square backpack in the end. Now stuff it with some cotton, close the opening and then sew it to the crewmate. And then you are done. You are literally done. And that's it. That's literally it. We are over with it. I ended up making one more Among Us plushie because I really didn't know what to do with a single socks. So I will just be speeding up the whole process throughout this one. But to let you guys know, I did give it some makeover this time by adding a bow tie to it.
I say I'm in, but so much fire can lead to burns. I got some questions for you, babe. I'm not trying to press you. I wanna know what you would say
from your telescope. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me